Over the course of this short video, we've asked senior people working for blue chip companies right the way across the world to give their one piece of advice that they would give to someone starting out in the world of work again today. I hope you enjoy what you see, and I hope you benefit from the advice that they give you. My single piece of advice would be focus on what you can do and make the most of it, and not what you can't do.
Make sure you know who you are as a person. What is your personal brand? What are your values and what are your ethics? And don't ever step off that.
Jump in with both feet and just start having fun. Work hard, work with people who you enjoy being with, and just let the adventure unfold.
Build your network, both internally and externally. It's really important to have strong relationships in the market and within the company. And that's what's fun about insurance. I would also say don't be afraid to ask questions. The best underwriters are curious underwriters, and so put yourself out there, make sure that you're asking questions, that you're inquisitive, and that you're willing to learn.
Find someone that you can learn from, that acts as your mentor, somebody that you can walk with and just, get started into your career, really take their hand and be guided a little bit. To be curious and show it. There's nothing more encouraging about a person than feeling that they want to learn more, that they're part of the business, that they really want to grow into it.
You have a lot of ideas and are not afraid to act on those. So I would tell anyone who's coming into insurance to be bold, be innovative, take risks, ask questions, to be curious, and to really seek all the different angles.
Make sure that at some early point in your career, you get an opportunity to be put in front of customers, because that's where the rubber hits the road. And that's where you probably learn the most.
And then take all these insights, then try to think about a way, how can you translate all the insights you have gained from the customers and the brokers, and how can you actually translate this into a new solution for the customer in order that we stay ahead of the curve.
Learn to prioritize. I think that's the most difficult one. What are you going to read? What are you not going to read? Which risk are you going to handle? Which risk are you not going to handle? Because you cannot handle all the existing risks in a company. That's just impossible.
Just try to do as many different things as possible. To get yourself technically competent, to put yourself in different situations.
Always be true to yourself, even if it means changes or making changes partway through a career or staying within a type of career. Know what works for you, and also have to be very flexible.
Make mistakes, learn from them. Secondly, find out how you can add value to an organization.
Be humble, be kind, listen, and work hard.
Just go for it, be yourself, and just go for it whatever you want. Being yourself is the best thing you can do.
During this video, you've heard advice from experienced professionals working in a broad range of businesses across Europe and the United States. You've heard different views and similar themes. As someone who has also lived and worked in different markets, I would add 3 things to these thoughts. First, whatever advice you take, you must make it true to you and your view of the world. Don't try and become someone else, but instead recognize and celebrate whatever makes you unique. Second, make learning from others a habit. Most people are delighted to share their experiences. Third, pay it forward. Just as people have shared perspectives with you, please do the same for others. You never stop learning and sharing. Your experience is valuable to me as well as to those starting out on the journey behind you. I wish you the best of luck and success.